I've received many questions recently regarding what to do in case I have some, teeth malarrangement or crooked teeth, and I don't want to go for braces. So, as you know, we have many options nowadays. When we come to new dentistry, we have certain options like brace, and apart from the brace, we can go for clear aligners. So, you might ask, what is clear aligners? Clear aligners, a system like Invisalign or any other brands nowadays are very common and very popular. One of them that we are working with in this clinic is a system that very reliable and very trustful. What we do usually is we ask the patient to come, we analyze, we do oral scan, and then once we deal with the lab, they will provide us with the 3D shape. As you see here, we can analyze the patient's, jaw as it is, and then we can tell them how long is the duration of the treatment as the patient is watching how slowly it's moving, how many trays they have to use, and then we can wash this. So we'll see that the changes in here, and then as it's going, the patient will decide to whether he wants or she wants to go on with this system or not. When we say a tray, I would like to tell you that how a tray looks like. It's a tray, and it's like a kind of, I believe it's a cellophane or some shellac based material that we use here. But then once we have it on here, like every move represent one tray. The difference between this system we use and the other systems is in most of the cases, they will ask the patient to keep the trays for 22 hours a day and switch the trays every 2 weeks, bi-weekly. They have to change it. But in this system, we have almost the same duration of the day, for 22 hours a day, but then the patient can change or switch to the next tray every week. So if you calculate, we practically shorten and actually turn it to a half, size of the duration. For example, if a patient needs 15 trays to get to the bottom of the treatment, so from the other systems, it takes almost 30 weeks, which is almost equal to 9 months. But then with this system, it's only 15 weeks. And 15 weeks means it's roughly around 4 months. So you see the difference between this system that we use and the other systems.